Hello students, welcome to Prayashu YouTube channel. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is identify the similar figures. So this is a explanation, and after this one we are going to see some examples. So what exactly the identify the similar figures? So in a name itself the solution is there, means we have to identify the similar figures, means one question figures is given, and for this one same figure we have to choose from the options. Okay, for this one some tips are given. Follow the steps given below, identify the similar figures. Initially compare outer structure of the question figure with the outer structures of each options. Okay, so means we can say each part and part we have to observe. Okay, don't be in hurry to make your answers. Okay, so sometimes there is a small lines, or we can say some small curve or something is there, there may be chances, so which makes the different in a figures than the questions. Okay, but we have to choose the similar means same as it is. Okay, so that figure we have to choose. It's a very simple topic. Okay, second number, then observe the symbols inside the and the outside the question figure. Select one symbol at the time and omit the options in which the place of this symbol is changed. Is there any changes or something small symbols on or number is there, or any curve or any shapes or any size? So that we have to identify. Means the outside and the inside all the questions figure we have to see whether there is any symbol and that symbol is present or not. That and also we have to see or through the observations. Okay, so now we are going to see the examples. So there are the total 15 questions. So common directions are there. Find out the figure which exactly matches means similar figure with the question figure from the four options figures given below. Means these are the four options are given and this is the question figure. Okay, so same this figure where is maintained in which answer sheet or which in which options. Okay, or we can say in which alternatives in answer figures. Okay, that we have to observe. Okay, now in this one these two lines here also, two lines here also, here not at present. Okay, so that's why this is incorrect. Now these two lines are here at the same directions, here also, here, then here not present, and here different directions. So this option number 3 and 4 and 1 also gone, now only the option number 2. So if you observe all the part and part, it's a totally 100% similar, or we can say exactly matches. So that's why option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 2, three lines intersecting with the three lines. Okay, so sorry, two lines. So this one is here two lines, here four lines, here three lines. Okay, and horizontal two lines, means option number 4 is the correct one. Means only similarity means same to same we have to observe. Now here the difference, here also difference. Okay, and here the four lines, means this 1, 2 and 3 options is incorrect one. Now question number 3, here 1, 2 and 3 dots. Okay, in the same shape, if you see, option number 2 is correctly. Option number 3, 1 and 4, if you observe this one, these are the different ones. So option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 4, the three arrows are in the same right directions. Okay, so if you observe this one, so these are the some differences. Okay, so as per this one, option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 5, now a, small b, small c and small d. So if you see here, a, small b, small c and small d, so this is a perfectly matching. Now question number 6, so as per these three symbols, this is a, no, this one is a matching. Okay, here some differences. Okay, and here also some differences. Now in this one also, this is the difference. Actually this should be here and this is a totally different one. So the option number 2 is the correct. Now question number 7, observe the question figure and we will find out this one is a correct, means option number 2, because here difference means one eye is not shown, and here the mouth is not shown, and here one ear not shown. Okay, so that's why option number 2 is correct one. Now question number 8, now observe the question figure and if you try to find out this one, so option number 4 is the correct one. Now here the differences are here, I will mark out the differences. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, as per this one, so option number 4 is correct one. Now question number 9, observe the question figure. After this one we will find out the option number 2 is correct one. Now Option number 1, this is the, and this one means all the symbols are different. Option number 3, these ones are the differences, and option number 4 also, all the are differences. These two are the differences. Okay. Now question number 10, the flower is showing and inside there is the triangle. Okay, so triangle only present here. Okay, so option number 2 is the correct one. Now here circle, here cross, and here square, so that's why these are the wrong answers. Okay. Now question number 11, something butterfly like shapes, and here three dots, then two, and then three. Okay, so here 3 2 and 2 is here, so that's why option number 1 is not here. 2 1 2, option number 2 also not, then option number 3 also not, then option number 4 3 2 and 3, and if you observe all the parts, so we are getting option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 12, so there are the 1 2, here also 1 2, here also 1 2, and here also 1 2, and inside there is a diagonally 2 lines and 4 squares. Okay, so if you observe, option number 1 is perfectly matching. Option number 2, there are these symbols, circles are missing, here also some circles are missing, and option number 4, all the small circles are missing. Okay, so option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 13, if you observe question figures and with alternatives, you will find out the option number 1 is a 1 and 4 possibility, but 4 inside here the small circle is missing, here small circles are missing, here small circles are missing, means option number 2 3 and 4 are mismatch, means option number 1 is perfectly matching. Now question number 14, if you observe the question figure, so triangle, then circle and squares, and triangle, circle and squares, and the directions also in this one. Now here all are the in different ways. Okay, so that's why option number 3 and 4 are not any. Option number 1 is totally different one with the directions, so option number 2 is a perfectly matching. Now question number 15, this is a somewhat be different shapes, so if you try to find out, so this is a totally different difference. Okay, only the option number 2 is a perfectly matching one. Here also some differences. Okay, so option number 2 only the answers. Thank you.